Hi guys, let's break down this animation of a plant growing around a skull. Let's get started. I already have a finished illustration. As you can see, it consists of a layer with the skull and a group with the plant itself. First, we'll make an animation of the stem appearing. Let's turn on Animation Assist and set the illustration as the background. We apply transparency to the stem layer. For the effective appearance, we can use different methods. One of them is the longest, but has a pretty cool hand-drawn effect. It's redrawing every frame again, drawing the lines over and over. For example, I decided to make the beginning of the animation and show it to you. It looks something like this. It's interesting, but it would take quite a long time for my entire animation. So I'm going to use another method through duplication. So for this, I draw the beginning of the appearance, then duplicate the frame and draw the next part. With this method, we won't get the hand-drawn effect, but it will be smoother. How long should we draw the stem on the new frames? It depends on the desired speed. Where you want to slow down, you need more frames, so we draw a very short line. Where you want to increase speed, you draw a longer line. I slow down the frames at the beginning and where it starts to disappear. Meanwhile, the stem's appearance is already drawn. For the last frame, I set hold duration to 3 to make a pause at the end, and I hide the stem layer from the illustration. Let's take a look at the preview. Now let's move on to drawing the leaves. For this, I turn on the leaf layer and apply transparency. Moving through the frames, find the place where the stem grows to the beginning of the first leaves and start drawing their appearance. I draw on a new layer, grouping it with the stem layer. Small leaves can be drawn growing slightly to the side to add movement. Let's take a quick preview. Moving on, when some leaves are already drawn to their maximum size, I duplicate this layer and draw the next part of the leaves. Okay, let's keep going. We need to repeat this for all the leaves. So let's speed up. So let's take a look at the preview. Next on the list are the blue dots. Turn on the appropriate layer in the illustration and set the transparency. Now, also on new layers in groups, I draw several frames with the appearance of berries. Take a look at the preview. And the last touch, in a similar way, I add the appearance of flowers. What did you think of today's animation? Let me know if you found it interesting or helpful. Thanks and see you in the next video.